Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Zwift on your television is getting even better in 2025, bringing your virtual rides to life on a much grander scale. Imagine cycling through Watopia or Richmond on a massive screen, truly feeling like you're there. These new updates make connecting your Zwift account to your TV smoother and more immersive than ever before. It's time to elevate your indoor training without any complicated setups. Getting Zwift onto your television is simpler than you might think, with several flexible options available. You can always use a reliable HDMI cable to mirror your computer or tablet directly to the TV. For a wireless setup, casting from your phone or laptop works beautifully with most smart televisions. And excitingly, a brand new dedicated Zwift Smart TV application is set to arrive in early 2025, making setup even easier. Before you jump into the virtual worlds of Zwift, a few essential items will ensure a smooth experience. Naturally, you'll need an active Zwift subscription and a reliable internet connection to access all the features. Crucially, a compatible smart trainer or a bike equipped with power and speed sensors is vital to transmit your efforts. Finally, any modern smart television or even a dedicated monitor will serve as your perfect display. Setting up your Zwift session on the big screen is a breeze with just a few quick steps. First, download the Zwift app onto your chosen device, whether it is a computer, tablet, or the new Smart TV application, then simply log into your account. Next, power on your trainer and sensors, then effortlessly pair them wirelessly within the Zwift application. With everything connected, choose your preferred world or a structured workout and begin pedaling into your immersive virtual adventure. To truly elevate your Zwift experience, consider optimizing your display settings to ensure vibrant colors and smooth frame rates, making every detail pop. Enhance the immersion further by connecting external speakers, delivering rich game audio and crystal-clear instruction cues, bringing the world to life around you. Looking ahead, expect even more seamless integrations with smart home devices, promising an even richer and more connected virtual cycling journey. Enjoy your amazing rides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.